In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert GIF on Constant Contact. To get started, log into your Constant Contact account and look at the top navigation menu. From there, click Channels and then select Emails. This takes you into the email area where you can create and manage your campaigns. Next, start a new email. Find the button labeled Plus Create, or in some layouts, Plus Create an Email, and click it. Constant Contact will then guide you into the setup process so you can choose a design before you add your content. Now it is time to select your template. You will see a library of templates you can use as a starting point. Choose one that matches the style of your email, since the layout will affect where your GIF looks best. Here is a helpful tip while you are browsing. Use the search field and type animated or look for a GIF tag on the template thumbnails. Those options are often designed to work especially well with animated images. After you select a template, Constant Contact will open the email designer. This is the editor where you will build the email by adding blocks like text and images. Take a moment to locate the left-hand toolbar, since that is where you will pull in the content elements you need. To insert your GIF, go to the Images tab in that left toolbar. In some accounts or template versions, you may see it listed under Elements instead. From there, drag an image block into your email exactly where you want the GIF to appear. Placing it near the top is common for announcements, but any section works as long as it fits the flow of your message. Once the image block is in place, click directly on that block. Look for the option labeled Replace. This is where you can add your GIF. You can upload a GIF file from your computer, or, if your GIF is hosted online, choose Insert from URL and paste the link from the hosting site. After the GIF loads into the block, you can confirm it is positioned correctly within your layout. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.